she get it from her mama. I'ma say you got it right. Body with a scum polite. Don't be in the humble type. Tell me, is you down? Cause I'm tryna go up tonight. Hoes and hoochies left and right. I just wanna live in a fantasy. I think we deserve it right. Top of the memories I've ever made in my life. Permanent ecstasy. The ladies is pimps tonight. Living inside a dream. Let's play where the love is like. I put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good. Put that on my mama, on my hood. I look fly, I look good. You can't touch my back, but you could. I look fly, I look too good.
Right now, polish 10 toes down. Yeah. Get it started, don't look down. Tattoo peeking through the see-through. Yeah. Body green color, I see you. I see you. Used to be in love, now you like it for Cupid. Hate to be a rag, so that nigga feel stupid. Coming through the ground, trying to figure out where you been. All they need to know is that you're outside. Watch you real time, ain't too live. Easily adjusted to your new life. Since you let loose, you been too tight. Tight. No place to unknown fence. You don't need to make that your own fence. Don't kid money, these grown men. Had a week, come up, they sleeping. Pussy so good, gotta sleep in. Watch your back and knees in. Bring them in. I never get enough, never get enough. I never get enough, never get enough. Many fall in your direction. Choices like testing. Just selected. Yeah, that ass too swollen, I'm tryna grab that. If you get too close, tell that nigga back. He been calling your phone when I'm calling. Let him know it's his fault and he need to fall back. No man, that's been on my mind, baby. Wanna leave for extra.
crazy.
Crazy. You know what I'm saying? 2024. What more do you want?
What more do you want?
I gave y'all this in the first quarter. Wait till the third.
Big dog status, Bill Hubble. A ball in his mouth for my brothers. Oh, your bag, tote the cutter. I got it out the field, fuck Russell.
Oh, we home? Oh, we gotta come around?
Glad. Shit, I turn on my bitch cause she bad. Shit, I'm making her ex nigga mad. Shit, they go for that bap, I'ma smash. Real nigga alert up, clearing the bag. Piping a bitch, it ain't then I got cash. Turn up the shooters, the switches go bad. Stay with some scammers, but dog moving pack. Trapping no rapping, my dog, you fall off. No capping, no bound, I'm a brick. Fuck on your bitches, I told her to call off. Actually, I'm making her quit.
Attitude stank. Either way, this nigga still going to the bank. Bitch, I'm up now. Bitch, I'm up now.
What you think?
Hanging with Migos, all these drugs and guns. Think we mess again.
He want the scoop, she want the tea. She want the tea. I cannot speak. We keeping it street. We keeping it street. I took a loss, but you still gon' get beat. You still gon' get beat. How much it cost?
You a clown and I'm allergic. Niggas straight up out this circus.
Young on the one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Make this right fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick of thick curve. Young on the one that they working my nerves. I'm about to pause the serve. Fucking this bitch like a perm. Smack from the back of a perm. Ice, the bird. Shitting on all you little turds. Can't take that dick, wait your turn. In my own lane, we can't merge. So with no hands, you can learn. Let's see how much you can earn. Why me go big like the worm? And I ain't smoking no shirt. I'm in the DP lit. QP shit. I love my bitches, it's pretty. They showing their titties, it's up to the ceiling. I let her run through a million, I rock with her really, let's fuck on a billion. I'ma get down to the gritty, then fuck up the city, the home of the villains. Ecstasy, wonderful feeling. Smoke out the pound when I'm chillin'. Trapping, I made me a killer. Look, I got everybody wishing. I hope you play your position. I don't want nobody listening. I see the whole precision. Give us my only decision. Ain't when no one that back calling me splurge. Ride me jump right off the curb. Make this right fly like a bird. Spin on the first and the third. Solid, I'm keeping my word. Can't be my equal, I don't know what you heard. Crack up the foreign, I swear. Keep me a stick of thick curve.
In the dark, I'm in my drop top. Who's in the streets, in the streets, in the streets, in the streets. I got a real pretty, pretty little thing that's waiting for me. I just wanna be anticipating good love. Don't keep me waiting. I got plans to put my hands in places I ain't never seen.
I did it without an album. Mariah. I'm a fire. Put a nigga on flight. When I put the Rolls Royce, they know they was leaking. You know what they rest in peace. Rest in peace, rest in peace.
Cabo. So somebody said something earlier that actually kind of stuck with me. So I was kind of contemplating whether or not I wanted to go out. Baby had a time on the boat, but it also made her very, very sick. So she said already earlier that she ain't going out. She said, you can go out, but she ain't going out. And somebody said something that stuck with me. They were like, you gonna get back to reality tomorrow. You gonna get back to work tomorrow. You gonna get back to all of your everyday activities tomorrow. But while you here, while you physically in Cabo right now, live. And tonight I lived. I miss my baby. I texted her like, I miss you. But I definitely like turned up for Matt and Cammie on the last night in Cabo, Los Cabos. And this trip has been definitely one for the books. As y'all can tell, I'm hoarse. I was on the mic yesterday.
Turn it to the right. To the right. To the left. It turns. It turns. Play it with it. Play it with it. Back it up. Back it up. Turn it to the right now. To the right. To the left. It turns. It turns. Play it. Back it up. Back it up. Here we go. Let's go. Hey.
This weekend's just been crazy lit. I hope y'all have enjoyed all the footage. I hope y'all have felt like y'all have been here with us on the trip. We always appreciate y'all rocking with us, rocking with a kid. And with that being said, I'm gonna go ahead and turn it in for the night. And I'm just gonna let y'all see what time it is, cause I'm coming in late. I'm coming in late. What happened? Oh, God. Don't play like that. I was like, oh, whoa. Ah. Listen. Bye. Come on. Bye. Love you. Bye, newlyweds. Bye, newlyweds.
It's been real.
Yes, real.
Real. We love y'all. We'll let y'all know when we make it. Oh, it's our guy again. Hey.
How was your vacation?
Good. It was good.
Then you've been riding with us. Ain't nobody gonna hold you down like I do.
Stay true to you like I do.
Spoil you like I do.
Adore you like I do.
Clean for you like I do.
Cook for you like I do.
Ride it down with you.
Ride it down with you. And that's why I said I do.